Hi everyone, in today's video I want to talk about a creation of your first Midjourney prompt, and we will experiment a bit with styles in Midjourney. So let's start from logging into a Midjourney. On Midjourney website, we can either click here on the bottom and go to Midjourney Discord, or just simply go to Discord app. Let's try to click Midjourney Discord here. It will lead us to our Discord app. It's important to check that you are in your Discord server. We have here a Midjourney, click here, and if you are the first time in Midjourney, it looks quite difficult, but in reality, it's really simple to use. Here we have our chats. Here we have some general info chats like announcements, status, rules, etc. Here we have a support chat, and then we have a lot of newbies. Here we have just regular chat with discussions, prompt crafts, etc., and some other chats where you can write your prompt and create your images in any general chat and in any newbie. But I recommend you to go to direct messages and choose here a Midjourney bot, because if you are writing your prompt in newbies, other people are writing their prompts there as well, and you can easily lose your image. If you are writing your prompt here, only you can chat here and you will see all your images that you created. What is a prompt? Prompt is a text phrase which Midjourney used to generate your image. I will paste here now the structure of a prompt. The structure of a prompt is image prompt first, then text prompt, and a parameter. It is not necessary to use all that parts all the time. You can use, for example, only an image prompt and a text prompt. You can also generate an image based on another image, for example, an image of yourself or any other image from internet. What you need to do is basically paste a link. I will talk about it more in next videos. So text in a prompt is a description of an image which you want to receive. It can consist from only one word or can be a really deep description. And parameter can mean an extension or size or quality of an image, for example. Okay, let's try to create our first prompt. We can type /imagine. Then we will receive prompt automatically. And here we can type our description. For example, cartoon cat. It needs some time, and here we can check if we are using our fast or slow generations. When we receive our result, we can make it bigger, and under pictures, we have here some buttons. U is for upscale, U1 is for up left side picture, U2 is for up right side picture, U3 is for bottom left side picture, and U4 is for bottom right side. Upscale make the picture better quality and bigger size. If we like this picture, we can save it, copy link or open link. We have here also an option of upscale creative. We can vary this picture, vary it subtle or strong, or vary a region. We can zoom it out or open it in web, or we can like it as well. Here, if we are not happy with any of these images, we can regenerate it with this button and receive for another images. V stands for vary. If we like, for example, the second picture and we want some more options of it, we can click on V2, which vary second picture, and it will vary it and give us 4 different images. So here it is. Let's now experiment with prompts. We can add styles in descriptions as well. It will go after the description. I created some interesting descriptions via ChatGPT, and let's see what it will give us. Let's start from that prompt. We will type imagine, and then here I will paste the description. Foggy morning in the forest with sun rays breaking through the trees, watercolor style. And this is what we received. It looks really beautiful for me. We can ask it for a creation of a style of a different artist. For example, here I want to paste this description. It's a fantastic building with organic lines and a mosaic facade in Gaudi style. Let's see what we receive with that. Oh, it really looks similar to Gaudi style, but I want it to be more bright, let's say, and use some different colors. So let's change our description. Oh, this looks much better. And for example, the second one really look, oh, and the first one as well, look definitely like Gaudi's buildings. And let's look at the second one. Really beautiful, isn't it? Let's check now more modern style. Again, imagine. Let's now make a high-tech style city. Oh, it's look really beautiful. Let's check the second one. Oh, looks really high-tech. And let's now try to merge something unmergeable. And make a cat with butterfly wings and a metallic claws. And here is the result. Oh, look at this one. She's so cute. In next videos, we will experiment more with styles. You can send me your ideas of interesting prompts in comments and also send me your creative results. See you soon.